Okay, guys, so this is actually my system. This is my CPU, my gamepad, my UPS. You go back there, it's a mess. But yeah, this is basically the system in which I generally game and the videos are uploaded at from. The thing is, you see this, it's messed up, and I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but the display is kind of split. I mean, this half is darker, this half is lighter. So let me just check that from my end again. Where the hell is that? I need something colorful. I wonder if I have anything. Do I have anything? It's an anime list. It's a troll. Nope, I'm not going to open those files. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm just gonna open Minecraft real quick so that I can show you what I actually mean. Okay, so if you guys can see, there's a clear line. This part is dark, this part is becoming lighter. I mean, the display is not in a very good shape. This part is invisible. I don't even know how the hell am I actually operating. I just click it over here and I just somehow just managed to pull it off. I don't know how. So yeah, well, my PC specs are kind of good considering that this is from 2010. So yeah, it's still analyzing. It takes hell lot of time for analyzing. I don't know why, but there you go. It has a Intel Pentium E5800 3.2 gigs dual core processor, 4 gigs dual channel DDR2 RAM. Motherboard is God knows. It's a G31 motherboard anyway. Graphics is yeah, it's a GT220. I was just like, what the hell? I was like for a second, I was like, what? And hard disk is it's a Seagate drive, optical hard disk, and USB audio device. That means yes, cause me being a big brain, I actually burned my motherboard somewhat because I didn't had this thing when I was actually playing this game, and I still use this goddamn cheap piece of um, gamepad that is it's around 3 years old. So what I actually plan to do is actually an ambitious plan. I just checked on the internet because my mother screen is dying and I don't want to spend hell lot of money on this because I need to upgrade this, and it is necessary because I want to play games with this. So here comes the second part. This is actually my previous laptop, or my only laptop. Actually, my mom used it, but it's kind of old. But it actually has better specs. If I believe this one has. How the hell do we check that again? I forgot. Oh yeah. Sorry. Run. What the? Jeez. I'm working like a grandpa DX. Shit. Okay, so it's taking some time. At least this display is really nice though. So yeah, let me get a little closer. Yeah, there you go. So it actually has an Intel i3 third gen dual core CPU which can be hyper-threaded to 4 cores, and it has 4 gigs of RAM, and it has DirectX 11 support, and that means it has nothing else left, right? So what I'm actually planning is that monitor, this. So I'll be taking this LCD panel and shoving it inside of this one, throwing this particular dirt one outside because I checked over the internet and there are multiple ways to do that. The main reason be, I'll show you in a second. Let me turn this off real quick. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh shit, I forgot. If you're asking what the hell do you mean by you forgot, wait just for a second and my camera be like, I don't want to focus anymore. Come on, focus. Good. So yeah, so basically this laptop, this part is broken. Okay, so every time I try to open it, the hinge snaps off and it's actually in a pretty bad state. First, the battery, this is dead, it's completely dead. Second, the CPU fan, this is dead, completely dead. And I feel like I'm gonna salvage all the parts from here and put it in here because first, my monitor is dying. Second, my PSU that is also dying. Third, my hard disk in here is almost dying. So because this guy is almost dying and this guy is also almost dying, flip aside. Good. So I need to do some organ transplantation from here to here. I know this is an ambitious project, and considering that I'm a noob and that I'm completely a retard who does not like doing this, basically I'm way too lazy, cause I have one thing that always helps me out. There you go. I have this. Wondering what it is? Yep, you're guessing it right. It's my PSP, baby. It's my PSP Go. Yup, there she goes. LSK, yo. Oh my gosh. Okay. Shit, that's a lot of flickering. I mean, I can basically play all the game shit I can even reach. I have a ton load of game in here. These are basically the mods, by the way. It's temporary mod, so don't even think that it's permanently modded. I can still claim the warranty for this. And hey, I really love playing Tetris on this for some reason. So, wait. Oh yeah, that was better. So, that said, I really need to work on her and make sure that this thing is actually live. By the way, those two lights really look cool, and I hope that I'll be able to make it. I'll be able to do this transplantation. Get out of the way. Make this transplantation from this guy to this guy. It may take some time. I don't know. I won't give any promises. Maybe a month, maybe a week, maybe a year, maybe never. No, that part's a lie. I'm definitely gonna do that. Until then, stay tuned, man. Yo.